What's up, guys? It's Nino and Lo.
Wagwan, beautiful people.
We're back doing some gardening. So today we are just concentrating on potting up some of our summer annuals and some of the pots that we put out in the backyard. So stay tuned and we'll take you through step by step.
And as you know, I don't plant it unless I can eat it. So here we go.
That's right. So I will pan out and give you a little idea of what we're working with here. We have a variety of plants here that we're going to use, as well as some vegetables that we're going to pot up. And here we go.
Hey guys, and welcome once again. I'm about to plant my tomato plants. I've got some peppers and various other vegetables that I'll be planting, but right now I've got a mixture of some potting soil along with some old soil from last year. I didn't throw it all away. I just kind of combined it all and ensured that I added some potting mix with that. As well, I've got some composted cattle manure here, which I'm going to add a little bit of that. Also, I've got an organic natural food fertilizer.
And it's slow release.
It is a slow release, and it adds a lot of calcium. Okay, it's a product that is it's filled with fuel microbes, and it helps a lot to the development of your plants,
the roots,
as well as your vegetables.
Okay, so let's go. How are you going to start?
Well, I'm going to start by adding a little bit of this mixture, mixed potting soil to the pot. And it's a little awkward given that I'm right-handed and I'm using my left hand, but just...
Now, what was the secret ingredient that you put on the bottom of the pot?
So on the bottom, I've got some landscape fabric.
And?
On the bottom, as well as you've seen before in previous episodes, I've got a baby's diaper, which I've cut in half and I've placed it inside of this, at the bottom of the pot. And what that will do is that helps retains the moisture. So it continually gets moisture into your plants, and that really helps with the development and the growth of your vegetable. All right, so let's go ahead and add some of my compost cattle manure into the pot. I'm just gonna get my hands in there and just kind of give it a little mix, just to get the ingredients all mixed up. And I'm also gonna get some of my organic fertilizer, just a small handful, and I'm going to sprinkle that in there. Maybe we'll throw just a little bit more, and that too we're just going to blend right in.
Now, if you notice, we don't plant our vegetables in the ground. We do container gardening when we're dealing with our vegetable plants, mainly tomatoes.
All right, so I'm going to be putting about 3 of these in. I'm going to be using, first of all, my Carolina Gold. All right, I've also got here a Brandywine tomato, as well as a beefsteak, and I'm going to put all 3 of these in the pot. All right, I'm going to bury them into the soil, and we'll see how they turn out.
So I have these pots that I use. I'll flip the camera and show you. So these are some of the pots that I plant up every year. And as you can see, they're filled with some old soil. So what I usually do is I take the old soil about halfway down, which is about here, maybe a little bit more, and I put it in a big container like this, and I mix the old soil with some new potting soil, which is my Miracle Grow potting mix. And then once I mix it all up, I put it back in the pot and I start planting. So I'm gonna get started on that now. Pretty group down here.
What you doing there, Lo?
Just getting my plants potted up.
Oh, she's doing a good job, folks. Look at that. Beautiful looking palm tree.
So these are the finished product of the planters that I completed today. I've completed 3 of them. So hopefully when they grow up, we'll have the wave petunias spilling over. We have the coleus as the filler, and we have these beautiful palms as the thriller. 1, 2, 3, all in a row. And look at these beautiful ones. I got some diamond frost euphorbia in here, some lobelia, and these are begonias, but they're sun-loving begonias. So they can be out in the sun, and a little dusty miller for good measure. Now here, we got some stock and vinca vine. Now I put the stock in as the filler, the vinca vine as the spiller. Alyssum there, hopefully that will grow up. It's a little scorched from the heat we've been having. I got some beautiful dahlias there and some canna lilies. So hopefully when those grow up, that'll be a wonderful combination as well. Until next time, thanks for watching.